3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
To recover or remove conversation in Facebook Messenger, start by checking your message archive, as this is the easiest method. Open the Messenger app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select Archive. Now scroll through the list to find the conversation you want to recover. If you locate it, swipe left on the conversation and tap Unarchive to return it to your inbox. If the conversation is not in the archive and has been permanently deleted, you can use another method to retrieve the message data. Open a web browser and navigate to facebook.com, log into your account and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings, scroll down and tap Download Profile Information. Tap Deselect All, then select Only the Messages checkbox to limit the data to just your conversations. Scroll to the bottom, and if you know the approximate date of the conversation, select a specific date range. Otherwise, leave it set to all of my data. Adjust the media quality to low for faster downloads unless you're looking for media attachments, in which case keep it high. Tap Create File to request your data. Once the file is prepared, download it to your device. Unzip it using your file manager and browse the folders to locate the conversation. While these messages cannot be restored to Messenger, you can access the full record of the conversation for reference.